Hello friends, welcome to Office Platform Santosh this side. There are situations where we unintentionally make editing on some important cells which create a problem for us in future. In order to minimize these cells, we can take the help of the new checkbox feature where we can lock and unlock the cells using the same. The new checkbox feature is available under the Inserts menu. If you click on Insert and see over here, this is the checkbox that we can apply to lock and unlock the cells. How to use that? Suppose, let us take an example. Over here, I want to write something, say hello world, and I press enter. The system is not allowing me to make the changes. It is asking either retry or cancel the editing. But when I use the checkbox, enable it, and if I write hello world, it immediately accepts it. And at the same point of time, it also gives us a message on the conjugative cell stating that the cell to which I want to edit is in edit mode. If I uncheck this, the cell is locked. If I write over here hello instead of hello world and I press enter, it doesn't accept anything. Let us see how we can create this. Let's start. Let me write description, and I merge this cell stating action. Add the borders to this. Now go to insert. I use the checkbox. Now I will drag these checkboxes over here till the dataset I want. If you see, by default the checkbox is in the false state. The moment you click it, it will say true, and the moment you uncheck it, it will give the value as false. You can see the data or the false and true happening over here. So if I click on this, you can see true, and if I uncheck it, it becomes false. Let us use this true and false logic first to get the edit mode and unedit mode of the cell or the notification. So I will use the switch function. Switch expression will be of the value of the cell or the checkbox, and then I will write if the value is true, then I want the icon for which I will press the start menu along with the semicolon, and write, since it is true, I will write it is as unlocked for editing, unlocked, and then if it is false, I will write again this and locked, close, enter. So the moment I put the check to it, it will give us the information as unlocked, and uncheck it, it will give the information as locked. Now let us go to the action that we are looking for. I will select all the data to which I want to apply this logic. Okay, let us drag this formula over here, and I will select all the data sets, all the cells, in fact, all the cells which I want to apply the lock and unlock feature to using the checkboxes, and then I will go to data. I will go to data validation, and then I will select custom, and over here I will write is equal to the cell value is equal to true. So if the cell value is equal to true, then it will allow for editing. If the cell value is false, then it will not allow the editing. And then I will write the error message. I will use the style as stop, the error message as lockbox cell locked, and the message is check, or we can write enable the checkbox for editing, right? And click OK. Now if I write anywhere in the dataset, if I write hello world and press enter, see it is giving us the error. And the moment I check it, I'll make the value of the checkbox as true and write hello world and press enter. It is allowing us to make the changes. Same, let us do the changes on any other cell. Let me write office platforms, press enter, and it is not allowing us to make the changes. And if I apply the true logic to this checkbox and I write office platforms and enter, it accepts it. So this is how we can use it. I hope this new idea of using the checkbox to lock and unlock the cells will be useful for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also share among with your peers. Thank you.